In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the search bar not working on Windows 11. This is a common issue that some users experience, but fortunately, it's relatively straightforward to resolve. Let's dive right into the steps you need to take to get your search functionality back up and running smoothly. First, we'll start by restarting the Windows search process. This is often the quickest and simplest solution to try when you're having trouble with your search bar. To begin, press Ctrl, Shift, and S key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will bring up the Task Manager, a helpful tool that allows you to view and manage all of the running processes on your system. Once you have the Task Manager open, direct your attention to the tabs at the top of the window and click on the one labeled Details. This section presents a detailed list of the processes currently running on your computer. Here, you'll want to look for a particular process, which could be listed as either searchhost.exe or searchapp.exe. These processes are responsible for handling different components of the search functionality in Windows 11. When you've located either searchhost.exe or searchapp.exe, move your cursor over the process and right-click it. A context menu will appear from which you should select End Task. By doing this, you're instructing Windows to terminate the process. However, there's no need to worry. Ending this task is perfectly safe and is simply a means to refresh the process. After you've ended the task, the next step is to restart your computer. Restarting your PC is crucial as it will allow Windows to automatically restart the search processes that you just ended. Give your system a moment to shut down and boot back up again. Once your computer has restarted, try using the search bar to see if it now functions as expected. In many cases, this simple approach of ending the relevant task and rebooting your system will resolve any hiccups with the search feature on Windows 11. It's worth noting that sometimes these issues can occur due to minor glitches in the system or temporary conflicts among running applications. By following the steps we've discussed, you're giving Windows a chance to reset and iron out any temporary issues. That's it for today's tutorial on troubleshooting the search bar in Windows 11. If this solution didn't resolve your issue, there could be more intricate underlying problems at play, and exploring further troubleshooting steps or seeking additional support may be necessary. Nevertheless, for most users, this method successfully gets their search bar back in working order. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more useful tech tips. Have a great day, and happy searching!